Hey, what's up, everyone? If you're between 13 and 18 years old, this video is for you. Whether you're starting high school, dealing with exams, figuring out who you are, or just trying to navigate this crazy stage of life, I've got some things you need to hear. Let's make the next 5 minutes count. First off, this age is full of opportunities. Right now, you're shaping the person you'll become, and it can be overwhelming. But I promise, with the right mindset, you can unlock your potential and start building the future you want. Let's break down the most important things you should focus on right now. Number 1, personal growth. I know it sounds like a cliche, but your teenage years are the best time to develop habits that will last you a lifetime. Want to build confidence? Start small, set goals, whether it's getting better at a hobby, improving your grades, or even working on your fitness. It's all about building discipline. You don't have to be perfect, just start. Remember, no one else can do this for you. And here's the trick. Stay curious, read books, watch educational videos, learn about things you're passionate about. You'll be amazed at how much you can grow. Next, let's talk about friendships. I can't stress this enough. Who you surround yourself with can make or break your teenage years. You've heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So choose your friends wisely. Surround yourself with people who support you, who are positive, and who push you to be the best version of yourself. Now, it's totally normal to have ups and downs with friends. Sometimes people change, and that's okay. Focus on building connections with people who share your values and who make you feel good about who you are. All right, I know school can feel like a drag, but think of it as your launchpad. It's not just about getting good grades, it's about learning how to learn. This is where you discover what you're passionate about. Use this time to explore different subjects, join clubs, and try out new activities. Even if you don't like certain subjects, the skills you're learning, like time management and problem solving, are going to be super valuable in the real world. Don't just pass through school. Use it as a tool to prepare for whatever comes next. This one's big, your mental health. There's no shame in feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed. Trust me, you're not alone. Social media, school pressure, trying to fit in. It's a lot. But here's the thing. It's okay to ask for help. Whether it's talking to a trusted friend, a counselor, or even taking time for yourself, prioritize your mental health. Learn how to manage stress now, and it'll serve you for the rest of your life. Remember, taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. Lastly, let's talk about your future. I know it seems far away, but now is the perfect time to start thinking about your goals. Whether you want to go to college, start a business, or travel the world, begin planning now. Even if your plans change, and they probably will, having a direction gives you purpose. Start saving money, learning new skills, and setting small, achievable goals. Every step you take now is one step closer to the life you want to live. So, if you're between 13 and 18, know this. You are in one of the most exciting, challenging, and important stages of your life. Don't wait for someone else to tell you what to do. Start taking control of your journey today. And remember, you've got this. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and leave a comment with what you're working on right now. I can't wait to hear from you.